Hello everyone, this is DB Fan Hito. Thank you for viewing my channel and welcome. Today, I'd like to review Dragon Ball Z Gashapon Mini Gashapon Vending Machine, released by Bandai in 1992. You are looking at the box of top of box. Goku is ready to battle or something. Before open this box, let's look at the box design. Here we have front of box. It has Dragon Ball Z logo and the toy sticker. And this price was 2,500 yen and at that time. Here is the vending machine. Super Saiyan Goku and the Krillin and the Gohan. I think this is a picture of Frieza Saga, I think. Now look at the side of the box. Here we have Gohan when he was little. This picture, you can cut it off and put in a vending machine as a display card. Now look at the other side. Here we have another Dragon Ball Z Warriors. The book. Now look at the back of the box. Here we have direction for this vending machine. Let's look at the cross. Now let's open this item, shall we? Here we have open box. Let's measure this toy. It's about 8 inches tall, 5 inches wide. As you can see, inside the vending machine has little gashapons. Here you can put money in here, turn the lever, and come gashapon from here. Now let's look at the detail of this vending machine. This vending machine mini comes with little gashapon in 15 gashapon mini, and also with key. Now I'm going to put the gashapon mini ball in the vending machine. Okay, now it's set. This key used for open this top of the up. Twist and up. Down and twist and rock. Okay. Now let's play this toy. I'm going to use coin. Okay, then turn the lever up. Here we have capsule. You can see, it's hard to see, but let's continue. It's fun to play. And what's next? Oh, I got more. Super, just Goku, normal Goku. Next. Cooler. Yay, more. Yay. This toy is very fun to play. If you see this vending machine on eBay or Yahoo auction, definitely get this one. I like it. I love it. Now, let's look at the inside of the vending machine. Close up. Here we have Gashapon Mini. I use Neko. Here's a lever. You can put coin over here and turn the lever, and the gashapon will come out from here. Inside the machine has a couple of gashapon. Let's open this machine from the top. You can see inside of the machine. Okay, just put it this way. You can see from the lever. Turn the lever. Then you get the gashapon. Again. It's cool, huh? Reminds me when I was little. I hope people enjoy this video. I know everybody interested in what's inside of the capsule. I'm going to open this to show you. Just a moment. Here we have opened Gashapon. So let's see. Gashapon, 15 pieces of Gashapon. Yep. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. I'll try my best to do my toy review. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.